Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this fast Lightroom editing tutorial. I have this wonderful capture straight out of camera by Pete Jones at PJ Pet Photography. This is a JPEG file and I'm going to show you how you can get 5 looks with one image in Lightroom using our Wild Spirit Curated Instant presets. You can check the installation guides and see the guides for, the proper quick start guide, how these work and the full tutorials on our channel. But I'm just going to show you a quick way to use these. I'm in the clean section now. I want to go for a clean look. That's our natural base, our natural combo. And you can just hover over these to see what they're going to do for your image. That one's really nice as well, actually. Our stable base mixed with natural. You just hover. And you can see here, literally just hovering. And these amazing, beautiful effects that these presets can do. I think Ambrosia looks really nice with this set. The presets also apply masks instantly to your image. Let's try another one. Let's try another look. I've made virtual copies here so we can do so. And I'm in the breezy section. So these are the light and airy looks. So I'm in our spring right now. Aries. Blueberry. Ice white, these are great for studio. And just hovering over as we go. I think I really like that spring preset up here. So I've applied that one for a nice breezy edit. Let's try another one. Now we're getting into the fun sections. We're into our winter with effects. So with these you can literally just hover over. This is our Caspar. Caspar is beautiful. You can see it's adding fog, it's adding snow. All you need to do is hover and click and you get all the different options in there, and at any point you can alter anything manually within your image. You can quickly sync this across the gallery too. You can do a one-off phenomenal edit, or you can do an entire gallery exactly the way you want with lots and lots of choice. Now we're into the moody presets, the moody section. So these are going to add dark, moody, cinematic, high contrast edits to your image. That's our dark arts combo, bluer. You can see these do completely different things, so you can hover over and you can choose which one of these you think is going to work really nice for your particular image. It's chaos. It's very deep. I'm going to go doodle for this moody edit here. And I'm also going to show you how you might get rid of some of these greens in your image. You can probably hear my own dogs barking in the background. It's a very sensory video. So now let's go into our golden effects. These are for warm autumn, fall images here. So we can simply hover over these until you find one that you think works beautifully for your image. I think I really like diffusion there, especially the diffusion combo. It has glittery fireflies in the background. I always love a bit of glitter. And I'm just going to turn the exposure up. And you can also play with your own white balance manually to make this image really look beautiful for you. So let's see where we started. Here's our, oh, hang on. Here's where we started, this beautiful image here, raw image by Pete Jones. In our clean selection, we applied the Ambrosia base. Then we went into breezy and we tried the spring preset. Then over into the winter effects, we tried Caspar. Into the moody, we went for the doodle combo. And in diffusion, in gold, we chose the diffusion preset. And that's just loading up now. I just want to show you something manually quickly on the end of this video. You see we've got some greens here. In the Wild Spirit collection, you get Curated Instant Looks, but you also get the entire Unleashed Pro workflow. You can find the video tutorials about this one. They're 2 different collections, but they can both work together beautifully so that no matter what you're editing, you will never have an image you can't edit up to your own personal signature style and standards. You can see there's a lot of beautiful presets here. Each one is its own clearly labelled section. I'm just going to come down to the brush presets. This is called the brush zone. And I'm going to click the green cast brush because that's exactly what we have here. It's a green cast. To access this, once you've applied the preset, click Masks, click the brush preset, up there done for you, and I'm just going to come over now, going over these green areas to bring them down. And what you can do then is you can change the intensity of this preset and bring that up. You can change the settings yourself a little bit, so you can get this working perfectly for you in Lightroom. Just notice there's a little bit around the edge as well. We do actually have masks for this, and you get these together with Subject Edge Correct. We can darken that down and make it a little warmer. And on our greens down, at any point you can click on any of these, and you can edit them. This is where your manual edits come in. Just taking those greens down around the edging there. If you hit Auto Mask as well, this means that you can start painting and Lightroom will decide basically what it thinks you want to paint. It's great. So there's our 5 looks. In just a few minutes, just 5 minutes, 5 completely different edits in Lightroom. Beautiful image by Pete Jones. That's using the Wild Spirits presets. You get these together. You do not have to buy these individually. They all come together as one big bundle. The Wild Spirit Instant Curated Looks and the Wild Spirit Unleashed Pro together. I hope you love this tutorial. Any questions, do ask. I hope you love these presets. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.